baba. Wanamhlola BM mo da. BM elamig ito.
The sauce, the drip. 258.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's go back to the journey to South Africa. In the previous episode, I said I was taking the car to the dealership, and I did it, but I'm so sorry I don't have the footage. So I will share one of these days I went there with a friend to find out what was going on with the car. Because many days there was a lack of communication between the dealership and myself.
O sol tá maninho nice, mo. Onde é que está?
Every time I was trying to get in touch with the dealership, there was no one picking up the phone. That's why I decided to go there. My name is Yuriko and this is Garage for Toys. Before we move on this journey, I please ask you, if you are new to this channel, to subscribe and hit notification bell so you don't miss an update about to come on the channel. Like, comment and share. Stay tuned. If you did so, thanks so much. Let's get started. BMW Joburg South is the former old lane in the corner of Millen and Oak Avenue, Oaktain, Johannesburg, South Africa. The main program that day was about to go to Edenville, have a look on the construction program that started for about 2 years ago. So my friend and I decided to pass by the dealership to have a clue in what was going on with the X1.
Beautiful, yo. Huh? Manja say yapu. Hey.
XM.
XM.
Yeah, XM. The new model.
Yeah.
All the thing in the pro forma was completely done in the dealership. So we realized that there was something else making noise in the car. It was a tensioner. So I decided to leave the car again for 2 days and pay the amount of the invoice, 7,000 rand.
Bem, já temos a nossa fatura. Tá aqui?
17.000 rands.
Algumas coisas pedimos para não incluir. Vou ler com mais devagar e vou fazer-vos perceber. Mas deixamos o carro e estará disponível na terça-feira, no dia 17. O carro estará disponível no dia 17. Devemos de vir levantar e vamos fazer questão de mostrar. A sairmos com o Boss Milton.
Hello.
George, estás busy? A máquina, né? Essa grande máquina.
Mozambique.
So in a couple of minutes we left the dealership and went to Edenville.
You will love the sound of the exhaust. Something is about to appear on the right side. Check. Yeah.
So don't miss what's about to come next in Edenville. You will see 4 double store houses in construction. We started building these houses in 2020. Let's go get inside and see what is happening.
Chegamos em Edenville, nas obras. Vamos lá para cima para vermos como é que estão as coisas. A toilet. Então tem aqui a sala de baixo, né? Tem aqui também toilet, ainda está-se a preparar tudo. Tem aqui uma pequena cozinha, aqui é a garagem. Essa parte toda, a garagem. Vem aqui essa sala enorme. Yes, I'm coming. And then we go up. Aqui a vir o corrimão de vidro. Temos aqui o quarto. Uma outra casa do outro lado, né? Similar. Se forem ver, as casas são mais ou menos, serão todas iguais. Quarto, mais um quarto. O Jorgito já escolheu que ele prefere estar neste quarto. Acho que para apreciar a piscina lá da casa vizinha. Peço desculpas pelo barulho. O pessoal está a trabalhar. Vamos aqui, temos a casa de banho comum. Temos aqui esta que é do boss, naturalmente, né? Já dá para ver, né? Que este quarto é o master, né? Para roupa. Aqui casa de banho. O Jojo.
E aí, família?
Então aqui vai ser a varanda. Então vai-se pôr o corrimão por aqui. A varanda vai ser pequena, mas... E daqui a bocado vamos sair daqui e não sei para onde é que vamos, mas por enquanto vamos ficar por aqui para ver as obras. E daí voltamos a Maputo e ficamos lá algum tempo e voltar à África do Sul de novo. Vamos uma coisa para o nosso projeto da loja. Então, até já.
Thanks so much for watching. In the next episode, we will be in Garankuwa, Pretoria. Before I leave, let me tell you about the giveaway starting in June in this channel.
Good day. It's great to be here on the Garage for Toys YouTube channel. My name is Mandawa. I'm the owner of Autofastech Solutions Automotive, and I am a sponsor of a wonderful giveaway on this channel. Beginning in the month of June, we'll be offering 5 liters of oil with an oil filter to the first person who will comment on the weekly uploaded videos on this channel during 3 consecutive weeks. In the month of June, we'll be offering castor oil. During the month of July, we'll be offering shell oil. During the month of August, we'll be offering indie oils. And how about this? In the month of September, we'll be offering liquid moly oils. How about that for a giveaway? All you have to do is subscribe and comment on the channel. We'll see you there.